In today's crypto, there's a brand new gold mine forming, one that bridges the oldest financial systems with the newest digital frontiers. Could Ondo Finance be the next project ready to explode in value and adoption? Ondo wants to unlock trillions of dollars from traditional finance. Stick around because I do believe this is way more than hype. We'll look at what real-world assets are, how Ondo's product actually work, the institutions backing them, and the big catalyst that could push Ondo higher in the next bull run. Let's get started. Real-world assets, or RWAs, are just tokenized versions of traditional instruments like US Treasuries, stocks, and ETFs. Investors get global access, higher liquidity, and real-time transparency. Some analysts believe the tokenization market could grow to trillions within the next decade, and there's still a massive amount of traditional assets waiting to move on-chain. There are projections that the tokenized market could reach $16 trillion by 2030. Unlike many DeFi tokens, Ondo's products follow KYC and AML standards and fit into existing legal structures. Unlike many DeFi tokens, Ondo's products follow KYC and AML standards and fit into existing legal structures. For example, non-US investors can get exposure to US dollar yields without relying on banks. RWAs combine stable returns with smart contract automation, and all with the goal to be a major pillar of the next financial era. Ondo offers a few standout products. USDY, a yield-bearing stablecoin, backed by short-term US Treasuries and deposits. USDY gives holders stable returns while staying dollar-backed. You can hold it in an accumulating version or rebasing version that pays out yields as extra tokens. OUSG tokenized Treasuries. This fund invests in short-term treasuries, offering around 5% yields with 24/7 minting and redemption. OUSG runs across Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and even the XRP ledger, letting DeFi users access safe government debt with on-chain flexibility. Ondo Chain, purpose-built for RWAs. Ondo has also launched its own Layer 1 chain to scale tokenized assets. Earlier this year, Ondo partnered with JP Morgan's Kinexys and Chainlink to complete a cross-chain settlement test, a big step toward showing how traditional finance and DeFi can merge on compliant rails. What really sets Ondo apart is its traction with major players. Its partnership with JP Morgan and Chainlink enables tokenized assets and bank deposits to settle across blockchains at the same time, reducing risk and improving liquidity. The Global Market Alliance brings together wallets, exchanges, and infrastructure providers. Even BNB Chain recently joined, helping list tokenized US stocks, ETFs, and funds. On the compliance side, Ondo is making bold moves. It agreed to acquire Oasis Pro, a regulated broker-dealer and trading system in the US. This gives Ondo the licenses to offer tokenized securities directly to American investors, a critical step toward mainstream adoption. There are some big milestones ahead. Global Markets launch on September the 3rd this year. Ondo rolled out Ondo Global Markets, featuring over 100 tokenized US stocks and ETFs. Investors are able to trade them 24/7 with as little as $100. Custody partners like BitGo and Fireblocks will secure the assets, and Ondo plans to scale this into the thousands of listings by year's end. Expanding networks and on-ramps. USDY is being launched on new chains like Say, while the Global Markets Alliance has grown to 25 members. Payment giant Alchemy Pay even integrated USDY, letting people in 173 countries buy directly with Visa, MasterCard, and other payment methods. Catalyst Investments. Ondo Catalyst, a $250 million initiative backed by Pantera Capital, was launched to accelerate the growth of on-chain capital markets. That's a serious sign of confidence and long-term backing. Ondo has built a strong community. Many analysts point to its partnerships and fundamentals as reasons to keep holding. Its total value locked has already climbed past $1.3 billion, reflecting the rising demand for tokenized treasuries and yield-bearing stablecoins. And the broader RWA sector is still heating up as more platforms try to bring trillions of dollars worth of assets on-chain. So, To wrap it up, Ondo Finance sits right at the crossroads of traditional finance and crypto. It offered yield-bearing tokens backed by real treasuries, works with giants like JP Morgan and Chainlink, and is expanding aggressively with acquisitions, partnerships, and its own chain. With the launch of Ondo Global Markets and tokenization of US stocks and ETFs, Ondo could open the floodgates for mainstream adoption. Of course, nothing in crypto is guaranteed, but with strong fundamentals and institutional support, Ondo looks like one of the most promising projects in RWA sector. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Captain Altcoin, and drop a comment. Do you think Ondo could be the next big crypto success story? See you soon in the next one.